Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take a look at another comment, and the comment you can find is under the drafting, and it's called create hatch. Create a hatch pattern and apply it to the region in a sheet view to identify the areas having a specific material on screen and on plotted sheets. So let's just dive right in. I'm gonna zoom in here and I'm gonna go to my CAD and create a couple of polylines. I'm gonna make sure they are close. So let's say this is a nice sidewalk here. Let's say here is another whatever snap near point, like a building, and then we'll just put another parking lot here or whatnot. So we got few areas here. Like I said, under drafting, let's click create hatch. This will open the comment pane, which is asking us to select the boundary, which layer we want to put. So if we had different layers, let's put it on different, and we have few predefined ones, right? So let's go to honey. Scale depends on how big of an area. I'll just leave it at 10, and I'm just gonna put in 90-degree and hit preview, and nothing happened. So let's go to scale 1 and hit preview. Again, nothing happened. I don't have any. So maybe 100 preview. Oh, there we go. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so 100 was the magic number. So as you can see, I did that. So let's try to do 50, for example. Let's see if it makes it bigger or something like that. You gotta play with it, right? Like, I mean, you see it's such a small scale. So if I go 500, so bigger scale, yeah, there we go. Look at that, right? So depends on what kind of scale you have. So let's try something else. Of course, I just hit preview, so it shows it. You have to hit apply to actually retain that. As you can see, under selected line, it jumped to 0. So let's do this, and let's say concrete. Again, preview, beautiful, typical for the drawings. Hit apply, and let's see here. Let's see what else we have. Block, dots, earth, grade, grid, hex, honey we did, solid. For the heck of it, let's do some stars. How is that? Oh, look at that, that's beautiful. So as you can see, we have few different things, right? Then if you click properties on this, right, you can change the color, you know, to well, I changed it to magenta. Let's just change it to orange, let's say, and unselect. So you can definitely define the color. You are able to change the elevation, and obviously to change the scale as well. Hey guys, I want to take this opportunity to make sure that you guys like the videos and subscribe. It really helps me to keep on going, producing these ones. If you are looking for some custom training, hit the link in the bio, go to my social on my webpage, and you'll find a few ways how to get in touch with me. So let's get back into it at a later point if you want. And also you can change your pattern here at the properties. Okay, so very nice if you are building something like I call it for show, for the wow factor. That's where you definitely want to get this done. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next one.